morning, students.
Good morning,
How are you all?
we are fine.
Beta, today we will do an activity. Our activity name is parts of plant. In this activity, we will learn about parts of plant. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Let's start.
Yes,
Pargati, come.
five parts of plant. Number one, root. Number two, stem. Number three, leaves. Number four, flower. And number five, fruit.
Very good. Next student, come.
Root. They grow below the ground. They hold the plant to the soil and absorb water.
Next student.
Stem. The stem provides support to the plant and transport food and water to all the parts.
Next student.
Leaves. Plant prepare food in the leaf.
Next student.
Flowers. This is the most colorful part of the plant. It grows into a fruit.
Very good.